you pay for certain things. You know, you sign up for certain clubs for a reason, and this is the club you signed up for. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? I'm going to tell you guys about some new. You know, Outre is always dropping new wigs, y'all. They drop these wigs like iPhones, like Jordans. Like, Outre will take care of you. So I'm going to tell you about this newer wig. It's OCEANE or OCEANE. She's pretty easy, y'all. She's not hard at all. I'm going to show you how I put it on and then wrap it up with my final thoughts. But give this video a thumbs up for me if you like content like this. Hit that subscribe button and let's jump into it.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way.
So this is a newer wig sent over by Outre. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. This is a lace front wig. I think it's Ocean or OCEANE. I have the color DRFF Dutch Cocoa. This is a newer color. She's 24 inches and she comes in a lot of other special colors. You're gonna get two combs in the front and one in the back. This comes with a standard lace part, guys. This is your beginner friendly wig. This is for all my beginners out there that just want to put a wig on and don't do too much to her. I didn't customize this wig at all. Pretty much all I did was put powder in the parting space and a little bit of powder underneath. I did go in with a wig grip, and I also do not have this wig on with any adhesive. Because of that, this wig is really snug. I noticed with this lace front wig collection, where it's just a standard lace part, it's kind of snug. It says it's pre-plucked, but I don't even attempt to entertain that idea anymore because I'm so used to this collection that I know what I'm signing up for. It's not pre-plucked, y'all. If you want, you can go in and you could tweeze it up a little bit. But again, I've mentioned it plenty of times. With this middle part, it does kind of cover up all that plucking and customization. I did have to go in with a little heat at the top. It was a little humpy. This parting space is super tight. Again, with this collection, it seems like these parting spaces are really tight. I did have to pull a little bit of hairs out, and I did put the powder in the middle. This texture is silky. If you don't like silky, don't come this way. So this is definitely a silky wig for all my people that love their silky wigs. This is your silky wig. I do like the style of this wig. It's a little different. I like the fact that these kind of flips are like right here like this, and then you get these nice pretty waves. Because of the color that I picked, I think that's why it's doing what it's doing. This wig is a little bit more tangly than I would like it to be, but again, with these blonde colors, it's processed and it gets a little bit more frayed easily. So I'm not sure if it's my color. Definitely watch some other reviews before making your decision, but mine is really tangly. You guys also did see me go in with this Brandywine wig detangler that I've been using and the Simply Styling spray. These are not going to stop your wig from not getting tangly, and I'm telling you this because I don't want anybody to say they purchased this because of me and their wig is still getting tangly. I must say that using these products, it's going to help with maintaining some of the frizz and maybe help run your fingers through it a little bit, but it's still gonna get tangly. Like, look how many sprays I did, and it's still getting tangly. So these are just a little bit of tools to help maintain it just a little bit. Some wigs using spray definitely makes a huge difference, but because of this texture of this wig, I don't think it's that much you could really do to, like, look how much spray I have to use. This is not the texture that I like, but some people may like, look how glam we looking on camera. Like, this wig is definitely a beautiful look.
Facts.
But silky synthetic wigs do what silky synthetic wigs do. It's nothing that your comb can't comb through, but just keep in mind what you're paying for. Certain wigs, you pay for certain things. You know, you sign up for certain clubs for a reason, and this is the club you signed up for. So if you like wigs like this, then absolutely, this wig is for you. But if you're looking for a little bit more in your wig, you might have to start talking about a little bit more price. This wig is in the $35 range. It's not expensive at all. It's very affordable. Depending on your site is how much you pay. As far as the length, I did tell you guys she's 24 inches, but let me show you. This is what it's looking like. You see how it's getting a little ratty at the end? I don't like when my wigs start doing that, especially when I didn't wear it too much. All I did was pretty much just wear it for this review. But again, it could be the color. So this is what it's looking like. This is actually all the hair to the front, guys. So the density is really, really thin, even though it's looking full. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around and show you what it's looking like in the back. Okay, I do like that this one does have a lot of specialty colors. This is kind of reminding me of the Color Bomb collection, some of the Color Bomb collection wigs with these bright colors. Like, it's a 3DR Ginger Honey Melt. It's a DR Mocha Blonde. Yeah, it says Blonde Balayage color. It's a DR Dutch, oh, that's what I have, the Dutch Cocoa. It's a lot of pretty colors in here. I've never seen this DRFF Honey Cream color either. So it's a lot of fun, exciting colors, and I think that's pretty much what you're paying for with this wig. As far as cons go, I don't like that this wig is really tight. I'm starting to get a headache, y'all. Like, low-key, I'm starting to get a headache because it's really snug. If you want, you could pull it in the back and maybe put it on a mannequin. Sometimes that does tend to loosen up the wigs, but it's really snug. But the pro of that being really snug is you don't have to go in with any adhesive, you know? Like, this wig is not going anywhere with this wig grip, and, you know, so you can look at it how you want to look at it, but I think it's not really that big head friendly. And it is shedding on me. This wig is shedding quite a bit, but it's also too could be the texture. I am getting a lot of strands out of this wig. Overall, she's cute. I mean, these are your picture wigs. You know, certain friends are in your life for a reason, and you do what you need to do with those friends. And this is your picture wig friend. This is your I need a cute wig for 2 seconds friend. Is she gonna last and hold up forever? It depends on how you care for her, but this is that friend. Okay, y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig. Would you purchase her, or do you have her? I do like these. I do like this color though. I would pay for this wig for these color blends. Like, Outre always nails it with the color blend. I'm sorry, I didn't even show y'all the color because I'm trying to wrap this video up. You got your dark root right here, and then you have your nice like amber color, and then you get all this bright blonde in the back. And this blonde is more of your yellowy blonde, so you know, but I do like that. I do love the fact that with synthetic wigs, if you want to try a color, boom, you try a color, and it looks like I just got my hair done. So it's pretty, but I don't know. I don't know if she's for me. I'm not here to tell you what I like. Thanks again to Outre for sending over this wig. I really do appreciate it. Y'all give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button, and until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.